right, so it is currently 106 degrees out here. These are current pressures in the AC system. Always go high side first, and that's just about dead on for this ambient temp. Maybe a hair low, that's okay. This car had a little itty bitty leak, and of course it was in the evaporator, so you know that's real fun to get to. So gave it a little shot of the really good Blue Devil stop leak, just to save Ken, you know, thousands of dollars in labor and God knows how much, probably a couple $100 for the evaporator. So got her running. She's been sitting here a while. Out of the vent, I'll call 48 degrees out of a vent at idle when it's 106 outside with 134A. We'll call that good.